Hello friends, welcome. Today I am in your service with a new method, with a new technique and with a new lecture, and that it's so fantastic lecture. So my lecture is about how to change the background of photo. How can we change the background of photo? Very easy in Photoshop. So first you have to take a new page, a new document, come to new, come to file, come to new, and select new. And here you can choose the width and height of your document or size of Photoshop page. So it's correct. So I will hit enter. So in here you see it's a blank page. So we want to change the background of picture. So I will open a picture in Photoshop. So I will come to my photos in here. Now come to here. So come to Sophie. Come to photo. Yes guys, it is Shah Rukh Khan photo. You may know him or not. So I want to change the background of this photo. So easy. Come to here, quick selection. Okay, we have two options that we can change the background. We have two options. If we open this background, so it cannot work. For example, I will take gradient tool. In here I want to select the color of this. In here, so it will fill all the photo. So I don't want to do this. I want to change the background of this person. So come to quick selection. In here select quick selection. Quick selection is good. So choose the background, just the background, guys. Yeah, choose the background. Yes, and select all to subtract these places. And select this one too, this one too, this one too, and select these places. Select this place also, this place also. So it's fixed now. Now we will change. So now when you select all the background, come to gradient tool, and here you can you can select this one, and you can select paint packet tool. So I will select this one, gradient tool. In here I have the designs of gradient tool. So I want to set this background. So just set it and crash it on the background. As you see, we could change the background of photo. You can select another color and you can choose. So as you see, now Ctrl D deselect. Now you see the photo has different color and background. So it was that. Thank you for your attention. And these places have some mistakes in selection. It has happened. You can select that very carefully and you will change the background of photo. It is so easy. Thank you for your attention.